So by default, when you're actually typing in a text and communicating with Qwen, you're using one version of Qwen. And actually, you can go ahead and select several versions of Qwen and chat with the one that you want. To do that, over here on the top, you can just click over here, and then you can see that this is the model that you're chatting with. So it's Qwen 235B. So if you want to chat with other versions right here, just like this, you can see that you can expand out the models right here, chat with older versions as you like as well. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and select this one right here, just like this, or 32B right here, just like this, or 30 right here, older versions. Then you can simply go around and then choose that and communicate with Qwen just like that. And it'll go ahead and then use the older model right here. But the later model is actually more powerful and advanced model that you can work like chat with. So that is how you can go ahead and even choose the Qwen models that you want to chat with as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.